Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 6x and negative 6x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 1y, and the right sides combine to 13. Divide both sides by 1. That leaves y equals 13. Use y equals 13 in the first original equation. Replace y with 13. The remaining x term equals negative 15. Divide both sides by negative 3. X equals 5. The solution is x equals 5 and y equals 13. It makes both original equations true.